In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Freshsales. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Freshsales. This is the first step toward managing your product catalog effectively within the Freshsales CRM platform. Once you have Freshsales pulled up, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have your login details handy. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Freshsales dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all CRM-related activities. Look for a plus icon, usually located at the top of the interface, representing the quick menu. Clicking on this icon will open up a range of options for adding different kinds of data to your CRM. From this quick menu, you'll want to select the option that allows you to add a new product. It's typically straightforward to find, as the Freshsales interface is user-friendly and designed to streamline these types of actions. Selecting the right option is crucial as it sets you in the right direction for adding your product details. Now, it's time to input the necessary information about the product you wish to add. This includes several important fields, such as the product name, ensuring it's unique and easily recognizable. If applicable, choose a relevant category to help organize your products better. You will also be required to specify your pricing type, which might vary depending on your business model. Include the unit price, making sure it reflects the correct amount for each product unit, and set the appropriate currency. These pieces of information will help in maintaining accurate sales records and facilitate smooth transactions. Once you've filled in all these crucial fields, take a moment to review the details to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to double-check the information provided, as this will be pivotal for inventory and sales tracking. Confirming this accuracy helps in preventing any future discrepancies that could arise with incorrect data. Finally, once you're confident everything is correct, save the product by clicking the Save button. This action will officially add the new product to your Freshsales catalog, where you can manage and track it along with the rest of your inventory. After saving, your product will be fully integrated, ready for quoting, invoicing, and any CRM-related functions you need it for. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add products in Freshsales, enhancing your CRM's capabilities to better manage your business needs. Remember, keeping your product catalog updated is crucial for the smooth operation of your sales processes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps make your experience with Freshsales more efficient.